Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CLA. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, touch sensitive controls, one-touch windows. 4. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.